Guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, we are not in my house. We are actually in a very old 1800s farmhouse for my birthday, but I'm getting ready to pack up. We had a wonderful weekend. I'll insert some footage here of the property and the house. It's absolutely stunning. But I thought I would do a reverse what's in my bag, what's going back in my bag, so you guys could see what I pack for when I take a weekend trip. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is the backyard. It's stunning. Look at these oak trees. So majestic. It's so beautiful out here. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud. Maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all but gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name, when my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. And maybe it's all part of a plan. I'll just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. But baby, now take me into your loving arms. Alright, so I actually have what I'll consider two. I have a makeup bag and then sort of a skincare, you know, essentials bag. So let's go ahead and start with the makeup bag. This is the bag that I got. I got it off of Amazon. I just think it's really cute. I originally got it when I was going to Disney. It reminded me of Minnie. And so there's spaces in here. So let me go ahead and show you what I brought. I'm gonna move you over here. Hopefully there'll be a little more light with the window. It's very dark in these little country houses. Okay, so as far as, let's go through the brushes. The Morphe. I think I'll list everything in the description box, but it's a nice blender. This is my favorite flat tip brush for all over shadow. I have a small little brush that I get in the crease to darken it. I have a little extra flat brush that if I need to pack on a little bit more color. These are such beautiful brushes. My daughter got these for me for Christmas. I love them. They're from IT Cosmetics. This one I use to set my under eye powder. And then I also have a foundation brush, the same collection. It's beautiful. This is an IT Cosmetics powder brush, all over face powder. And then I have a bronzer brush. As far as blush brushes, I brought this little baby one. I love this. It's a beautiful little dome shape, perfect for the blush. Of course, I brought a beauty blender. And then I have a little tiny domed shaped Morphe brush that I use for smudging under the eye. So these are my must-have brushes. Put those in. And I love this bag because it has a lot of pockets. Let's start with the eyes. Of course, I use one eyebrow product. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in chocolate. Love it. Always gonna be with me. And then I always, you know guys, I'm hooked on the Dior Lash Primer. I brought that with me, as well as the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Knockout Mascara, must have. I have the sample sizes of the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which I love for my under eye lashes. Of course, I brought my eyelash curler. I love this one. I will put it in the description box. And then also from Tarte, the Inner Rim Liner at the bottom to open those eyes. Last eye product is the 24/7 by Urban Decay in the color Bourbon. This just came into my favorites video and I am loving it. The two palettes that I brought with me, always, no matter where I'm going, I bring the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette because it's a great palette. You can do a very light natural look, or you can actually darken the corners, and it's beautiful. Now there's no shimmer in here, so I did bring Lime Crime's Venus in Rose Gold palette because it has some rose gold colors as well as some shimmers. The primer that I brought with me, Tarte Smoothing Primer. Love this. It's my favorite. If I'm going to bring just one primer, this is going to be it. The foundation, right now I'm hooked on the IT Cosmetics CC Your Skin But Better with SPF of 50. This is in light beige. I'm just obsessed with this foundation right now. Eye primer, the Perricone MD No Eyeshadow for my primer. I love this because I can also just use it as an eyeshadow. Now for bronzer, blush, and highlighter, I brought the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. Of course, this is one of my favorites. Love this for my bronzer, love both blushes, and then if I want a little highlighter in the corner of my eye, or if I'm feeling a little fancy, not in the country, I don't wear them, but you know, wherever, this covers it all. It's wonderful. Your Lips But Better. This is in Romantic Rose. You know, this is my favorite mauve colored, berry colored lip liner. Wonderful. And then BFF from ColourPop is a perfect nude. That's all I need. As far as doing some contour, because I, you know, like to strengthen my jawline, Larizzi, this is my favorite. It's very portable, very easy to use. So I'll, you know, deepen those cheekbones and along the nose, whatever I need. As far as powder, the under eye setting powder that I use is the Becca. Love this. Very, very finely milled. And then setting powder, it Bye Bye Pores, the illuminating one. I am absolutely obsessed with this as well. Of course, I brought Maxi Lip. I'm gonna count, I put this in cosmetics. Best Lip Plumper, wonderful. I did bring Tarte's Lip Sculptor. I love the fact that you get a lipstick on one end and a lip gloss on the other end. And then I just recently picked up, which is going to go in my Valentine's video. If you haven't seen, I'm not sure which will play first. YSL's. How stunning is this lipstick? And I tried it out today. First of all, it has the packaging. I mean, YSL makes the most beautiful packaging, and it smells like watermelon. I mean, it is delicious, and it's so hydrating, and it's such a beautiful color. And let me swatch it for you guys so you can see. It's just beautiful, and it's so moisturized. I'll put the color in the description box, but it's such a pretty natural color and just beautiful, and it's got just a hint of shimmer to it. That's everything, and it fits perfectly in my little makeup bag. So that's what I bring for a little weekend trip. Now, as far as skincare, you know, face wash, all that stuff, this is the bag that I use. I love this one. This one I got off of Amazon as well, because this one has a little hook. So I usually hook it in the bathroom, or in this case, because we have a bunch of people in the house, I just hook it in here. So let me go ahead and show you what I packed. Okay, so for my skincare bag, the first thing I pack is my Palou creamy cleanser. Love this. This is my favorite cleanser, and I always get the travel size as well, so that I can fit it in. I also use the Palou toner as well. It's in the bathroom. I forgot to grab it. But you guys have seen that before. Love that, and I always buy it in the travel size. As far as, of course, I don't go anywhere without my Gold Bond Neck and Chest Firming Cream. And then I'm obsessed with the Colleen Rothschild number 9 facial oil. Love this. Just hydrates everything. I mean, it's just wonderful. As far as a moisturizer, the GoPro, this is a beautiful light moisturizer, but it has vitamin C in it. So if I don't feel like bringing my vitamin C serum and my hyaluronic acid, it has it in here. So I'm kind of getting it, you know, all in one thing. Of course, the micellar water from Garnier to take off eye makeup and any residual makeup. Of course, I have to have a razor, and then the toothbrush. Obsessed with this electronic toothbrush from Smile Brilliant, the Carry Pro. Love it. I use Sensodyne whitening toothpaste. That goes in there. And then, of course, I bring my Peter Thomas Roth under eye patches. I brought both this time, but sometimes I'll bring just one. I did the hyaluronic acid one as well as the cucumber. And then deodorant that I use is Clinical Strength Secret. For my lip mask, the Jouer lip mask, again, love this. I can do it in the, you know, during the day, throughout the day I can carry it, or at night as a lip mask. Squares to take my makeup off. These are my favorite. I always have those packed. My wet brush, of course, and then today I'm curling my hair today, or this weekend. I didn't have it straight. If I had, you know, was wearing it straight, obviously I'd bring a straightener, but I used the Baby Bliss. And it's extremely misty out today, and I was filming some fashion looks for you guys because I thought it's just so beautiful here. So it was a little interesting to be filming, so my hair's a little damp. But that is it. I usually have a couple little clippies for my hair and throw them in there and call it a day. I did bring hairspray with me because I've been definitely trying this out more, which is the Kenra Dry Oil Control Frizz, because it is so misty out that, you know, I don't want my hair to get all fizzy. So that is it. So that's what I pack in my bags for skincare cosmetics when I take a weekend trip. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, I hope you had a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.